welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be filming a Broke Bitch review. Now I know it's been a while since we've had one of these. There just haven't been that many hyped up products that have came out in the makeup world that I just wanted to try. That's really the only thing as to why I haven't done one in such a long time. But I was recently in Sephora and I was just like, okay, there's got to be something here that's like super hyped up and super expensive that everybody's talking about that I don't necessarily want to spend money on. So as I was looking around, I thought, ding, why haven't I thought of this before? Hello, I am all about like the primers and foundations and concealers and that kind of stuff. You know, that's kind of my niche when it comes to Broke Bitch reviews. I wanted to slap myself for not thinking of this before. Hello. So the product that I am talking about, let me find its little bag here. This guy right here. And yes, we back with the sample bags, baby. Woo! This is a real Broke Bitch review. This is the Tatcha The Silk Canvas Protective Primer. So it says that this is good for all skin types. It is a priming balm of pressed silk. Wow. That smooths and makes makeup last longer while keeping it out of skin, helping to prevent clogged pores and breakouts. So essentially what I'm getting from that, it is a pore filling primer that's going to help smooth your skin out and just make your foundation lay on there nice and even and level and look super natural. Let's see, this product retails for 52 doll hairs and you only get 0.7 ounces or 20 grams of product. You actually get a little disc whenever you buy this product to like scoop it out and apply it with. Unfortunately, since I only have the Broke Bitch review style, we don't have said disc. So we're just gonna have to use our fingers. I'll show you. Do you see? There it is, all scooped in there. All right, so I don't see the point in dicking around anymore. Let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to apply it in the same place that I would be applying my Catrice Pore Filling Primer, which is basically my T-zone. Okay. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Let's blend. Ooh, that is luxurious feeling. Wow, this feels like skincare, like for real. I feel like I'm putting on, oh my gosh, wow. I feel like I'm putting on like a either very silky face moisturizer or almost even a serum. I mean, that's just how silky this is. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I could do this for hours. Wow. Let me just go ahead and grab some foundation and we're just going to put this on top and see what she looks like. So the foundation that I just wanted to use for this review is the Fenty Beauty foundation. It's like a holy grail. It's a staple of mine. I know this stuff is good. So we are going to use it. Here we go with the itching. It's like my body's like, camera's on and itch. Okay, so we have the foundation on, and first thought is it's not anything more impressive looking than what my Catrice Pore Filling Primer is. So that's my first thought. It felt amazing going on though. That felt like skin care. Catrice cannot do that. As far as what it looks like right now, they kind of look the same. Everything looks just very smooth and airbrushed, and that I like. So if you did spend your 52 buckaroos on this product, I mean, at least it would look good. So I'm going to go ahead and put on concealer, and we shall see how that looks. That looks smoother, more smooth than the Catrice. This looks nicer. I'm going to be real with you. This looks nicer, especially here in person. On camera, I don't know if you could pick up just how flawless this area in particular is. Like up here, yeah, these forehead wrinkles are just, they're extreme. It'd take a lot to, you know, for these not to show up. So, meh, we don't worry about them too much. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and powder my face, you know, do my whole shebang here real quick, and then I will come back and we'll kind of see what it looks like after it's powdered and set, and then we shall talk about it more. So, I have got the rest of my face makeup on. I've possibly changed clothing. I think this primer looks really nice. My pores are pretty much gone. They've just been erased, which is phenomenal. Oh, I'm blurry. I don't know if you guys can see if I scooch really close. My eyes are being blinded by the light. But my skin looks really, 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 really flawless. Now, I will say, my Catrice primer also kind of does that. Granted, this felt amazing whenever I put it on. It felt like skincare, and that was amazing. Like, it really did. It literally felt like a luxury face serum or something like that when I was putting it on, and my Catrice primer does not feel like that. That was nice. However, here we are at the end. I've got the rest of my face makeup on, and I don't think that the Tatcha primer performs any more amazing than the Catrice primer does. It's beautiful. I mean, the finish and the look of my makeup looks amazing, and yes, I will give it that credit. However, my Catrice primer also does that. I guess it's just, you know, do you want to spend money for something that, I mean, yes, it goes on like skincare and it feels amazing, but the end product is really no different than something that I get from the drugstore. Me. I personally I don't think that I'll be purchasing this product just because I already have a product that pretty much already does the exact same thing, except for how it feels whenever it goes on, but I can get over that easily. So yeah, I just don't think it's worth it. I don't think it does enough different than my Catrice primer does to make me want to spend the $40 or $50 some that we said that it was. That's just my opinion. Now, did this work? Absolutely. It absolutely worked. And if you are somebody who prefers higher end products, then this is probably a product for you. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this week's episode. Like I'm a damn TV series? No. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell right next to that so you get notified every single time that I upload. Otherwise, YouTube will not tell you. And trust me, you want to hang out here. Tornado sirens. Great. Living in the Midwest is so much fun. Thanks again, guys. I really appreciate all of your support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.